The lights are low. She's looking at you with that hungry sparkle in her eyes. Her body is right there in your hands, and everything is lined up for a night you'll both remember. You're feeling it. Your mind is racing. Your pulse is pounding. But then it happens. Your erection starts fading like a bad Wi-Fi signal. 1 second, you're stiff. The next, you're soft, and you're wondering, what the hell just happened? Mentally, you're still in the game, but physically, your guy downstairs has clocked out early. And the more you think about it, the worse it gets. Instead of focusing on her curves, you're locked in your head, panicking, begging yourself to get hard again. Every thought digs the hole deeper until you're trapped in a mental loop with zero blood flow to back you up. It's the worst nightmare for any man in the bedroom. But what if I told you there's a way to flip that script? Imagine, instead of spiraling into embarrassment, you had a slick little move you could pull right there in the moment. A quick, subtle technique that takes less than 60 seconds, requires no pills, no toys, no excuses, and brings your erection roaring back just in time for action. No awkward stalling. No fake bathroom breaks. Just you, her, and a hard-on that doesn't quit. Sounds like fantasy? Nope. This is real, and it's worked for thousands of guys who thought they were done for. Once you know this trick, you'll never look at performance anxiety the same way again. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Erections live and die by blood flow. The more blood you push into your dick and the more you trap inside, the harder you get. And two key systems control that flow, your nervous system and your pelvic floor muscles. Stress, nerves, overthinking, they slam the brakes on blood flow and shut you down fast. But the right breathing unlocks the system, and the right pelvic floor squeeze works like a hidden pump that sends blood straight into your shaft. When you pair those two together, you've got a formula that can resurrect your hard-on in seconds, even when you thought the night was over. So let's get into it. Step 1 is all about your breath. Forget shallow chest breathing. That does nothing. You need a deep inhale through your nose, about 4 seconds, filling your belly until it swells. That inhale triggers nitric oxide in your sinuses, the natural chemical that relaxes your blood vessels and opens the floodgates for circulation. Hold it for 2 seconds, don't rush, then exhale slow, 6 to 8 seconds, out through your mouth. That long, controlled release puts you instantly in chill mode, pulling you out of fight or flight panic and dropping you into calm, confident control. Now here's where the magic happens. While you're exhaling, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. If you're not sure where they are, it's the same squeeze you'd use to stop your piss midstream. Pull that muscle up and in, like you're tightening the floor beneath your dick. Hold that squeeze through the whole exhale, and you'll feel a subtle lift at the base of your shaft. That's your inner pump firing up, pushing blood straight into your erection. When you let go, relax fully and reset, you're priming your body for the next cycle. Repeat the breath squeeze combo 3 to 5 times, and you'll feel it, a swelling, a pulse, a stiffness building back up like pressure in a pipe. In less than a minute, you've gone from losing it to rock hard again, without her ever suspecting a thing. Want to supercharge the effect? Add a burst of movement right after, 10 quick push-ups, 10 squats, anything to get the blood moving. That extra circulation stacks with the breathing and the squeeze, making your dick feel harder, fuller, and more alive than before. The beauty is, you can do the breathing trick anywhere, lying next to her during foreplay, even in the middle of kissing. She won't notice you're working the pump, but she'll definitely notice when you're back inside her, thicker and stronger than before. Here's the bottom line. Losing your erection doesn't have to mean losing the night. With this hack, you've got a secret weapon in your pocket. Next time you feel yourself slipping, don't panic, don't make excuses, and don't tap out. Breathe, squeeze, pump, and watch your confidence and your hardness return. The power is already